Okay, today we are going to finish the project, and you have one more session to come and ask your question about your project, which is on December 2nd. And your due date is Friday, December 5th. So, you don't have any questions? We created slab concrete and 2 ramps. And today, and we created a roof for the patio. Today we are going to make a roof for the building. And we need a stair here for access to the patio. And we are going to create a landscape and some components over that. So for creating a roof, you need to go to L2. If you go to roof level, you cannot see the walls and plans. Let's see if it is recorded. Yes. So you need to go to L2. And when you go to roof, you can use some draw options like line, or you can pick lines or pick walls. But here, if you zoom in, you can see we have a dash line here, which shows the roof with the overhang. So we can use, instead of using pick walls, we can use pick line and select the dash line. But be careful not to select the grid. Just select the dash line for the roof. Select all of them. Now when you hit finish, I need to select the corner. Mm. And here, be fine. What is the problem? Cannot be ignored. Can you create it?
On the bottom, is it okay that the line isn't perfectly horizontal?
Yeah, it is the AutoCAD issue. It's not ours. We can fix it. You can put it here. The error pops up for me. I don't know why. Let me do it again. Go to roof by footprint, and pick lines.
Once we close the loop, do we need to change any of them,
The same error.
like in terms of the defined slope?
Did you change it?
Are we supposed to change any of the sides for defined slope?
Yeah, I will explain later. Did you create it?
Should I finish it first? Or?
Yes, finish it because I received the error. Don't know why.
Slightly. Uh,
Let me use line.
But make sure here, because it's. Yeah, like it.
Okay, now when I go to 3D view, I need to change it from L2 to the roof. Now you can see that. And we need to change the slope for this one and the back. Change the define slope to have a gable wall here and gable in the back. So go to roof and select the roof twice, double click, select this line and define a slope for this and for the last.
Did you show which one you put?
Yes, this one and which is in the back. These two. Change them to gable. And now you need to attach this wall to the roof. So when you go to When you select your wall, you can see in Modify Wall, attach top or base. You can select it and select the top. And for this one,
Are those the only sides with the gable?
for the gable, and if you zoom in, you can see we have a gap for the other walls. So you can select one of them, right click, and select all instances in entire project, and then attach to top and select it.
Delete that section. Cutting out the triangle.
The slope?
Yeah.
When you go to the roof plan, for modifying the roof, you need to double click. Now, when you go there, you can see the slope. When you select, you need to select this one and that one. And when you select define a slope, it will be hip roof. If you deselect define a slope, it will be gable.
Do the down one at the bottom.
Yeah, these two.
How'd you fill up the hole with the wall?
You went from the top.
For attaching the wall to the roof, you can select just one of them, one wall. When you select the wall, you can see attach top base in modify wall. But you need to select all of them, right click, select all instances, and select in entire project. Now you can hit attach top base and hit the top, the roof.
Could you show how you do that one more time?
For attaching to the roof,
Yes.
if you select the wall, you can see attach top base. If you hit that and hit the roof, you can connect it.
But how did you select all?
But you need to select all of them. When you want to select all instances in your project, you need to select one. When you right click, you can see select all instances. You can select visible in view or entire project. You can select an entire project, and now you are selecting all of them. Now you can go to modify wall, attach top base, and then select the top, select the roof.
It's saying can't keep wall and roof joined.
Not join, just want to connect it.
Give us the arrow.
Let's see.
Here. Projects. Attach top base, and then I click the roof. Can't keep wall and joint. Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Typical walls are separate I have a continuous line from the bottom to the top.
That's fine. I already have enough room to. Ours are like connected. Is it okay that it's separate, like with the project?
Yes, no problem. It's better to have continuous,
Yeah.
but we need to have separate, for example, for this part, this part. Okay, now let's go to create a stair here. When you go to the plan to L1, you can see we have a stair here, but the stair here starts from ground level to L1. So you can go to ground, and by going to a stair, now you can change the stair style. It is assembled stair. We can change it to monolithic stair, test in place, because we don't need a glass stair for the outdoor. And now the desired number is 3. So you need to go to, and it starts from ground level to L1. That's fine. You need to go to edit type and match these two numbers. The actual riser is 8, and change the maximum riser height to 8 inch.
So we choose the cast in place there, monolith there with our initial,
Yeah,
and then
but you can duplicate to the other. Your initial number 2.
and you change it to just 8 inches.
Yes, match these two numbers. The maximum riser with actual riser height. Then you hit OK. Now you can use straight and draw your stair. When you go to the elevation, previous elevation, you can see we need one more stair. So again, we need to go to ground plan and double click. You can select the circle and drag it and add one more stair. Now when you go to elevation, now you can see we have a gap between the railing and the stair. So you need to double click over the stair. And by going to properties, construction, you need to deselect end with riser. And when you apply, and finish, you can fix it. So you need to double click over the stair, select it, and now you can see end with riser. Remove it and apply and finish. Now again, go to the plan.
The ground, or this is ground on the project ground is for floor plans. Because I created.
You can select your stair and change it. It should start from ground to L1. Is it on FD?
I just don't have like the ground tab, like ground. I don't have that on my project ground.
You didn't create a ground level?
No, I did. It's I created it on my elevations. It's not showing. I'm not sure how to make it show.
Because when you are creating your level, when you go to here, when you are creating the level, you need to check make plan view to see the level in the plan. You can delete the level and again create the level, the ground level with 2 feet distance from L1 and make sure to check make plan view. Okay, now go to the plan. You need to select your stair with railings and move it to the proper location here. And you need to change the width. So double click. You can extend the line to here.
Where exactly is that? Is that on the porch?
Yes. You can put it in the corner of the column.
How'd you,
Yeah, you can double click. Now you can stretch. It finish. Now you can go to 3D view and see your stair. Oh, I changed the material to glass before, so I need to go to edit type and fix it. Yours is glass too? If it is glass, you need to select it, go to edit type, and by going to construction, run type, when you go there, you can see 3 points. And now mine is glass. I need to change it to concrete. Concrete custom place. You can change the function from interior to exterior. That's it. Now we need to create a landscape. Go to ground level. Go to the top. You can see massing and site. When you go there, you can find topo solid here. You can create from import, or you can go to create from a sketch. And now you can use draw options and draw your landscape. I'm going to use rectangle. Start from here to here. And you can see it is topo solid, grassland. We have concrete, wood plank, asphalt, water. Now, when you go to 3D, you can see, you can move it. Now, when you go to Messingham site, you can see site component. Here, you can use one of the trees. For example, Japanese maple. and put it there. If we use the other one, it's too short. I'm using American Beach. You can design it.
Yeah. Something much shorter than.
What is that? What's your question?
I think once you're done, you take over your thing, how to fix the record now.
Yes.
Because if I could do it, I say it would be 100 elements.
For the level?
Yeah. Because I already have it here, and I've been creating stuff on it. And then this one show it. And if I, like you said, if I delete it, make it again, I should go delete 100 items. So,
Can you create a new file number then? Yeah, let me.
oh, create a new one.
Yeah, go to level. Go to architecture. Select one. Yeah. Create family. That's fine.
No, so.
You created that one in 2 years?
Yeah.
So, create a foundation. Okay.
I just had to adjust it.
Yes. I can use it for working landscape. Okay, now if you go to ground level, let me show you in 3D view. You have an entrance here. You can create a walkway with different material for here. So you can go to ground level, select your Upper solid. And now you can edit it. You can draw lines from the stair to here. One more line. Now you can use split and fillet. You can add more line here. Finish. And when you go to 3D view, you can see we have a gap here, and we can fill this gap with the other material. You can go to ground level, go to masking and site, and top of solid, create from a sketch. Now you can go to concrete, select concrete, and use rectangle. Now when you go to 3D view,
You show them which I've had that.
you can go to top of solid again, masking and site. You can go to create from a sketch. You can use these draw options, but here it was on grassland. I change it to pass 8 inches concrete. Now you can draw a rectangle. And finish. You can design it with grass and concrete. You can draw, let's see. And modify. Can draw a circle here. And then go to masking and site. By using create from sketch. You can use water. And you can draw a circle. Kind of circle I have.
Is it okay that they overlap?
Oh, it's better to don't have overlap. Let me check.
I mean, you could draw a line like in the center and then use that to.
Yeah, thank you. You can design it if you have time, you can design. But that's enough for your project. Check. You should add walls, opening. When you add opening in L1, you need to add 2 openings, one here in the bedroom and one here in the dining room. And you have to add sections in front of that. So I need to click over that and go and see your opening. We need one here and one here. And show me the opening. Then you need to add the floor and assigning ceramic tiles for the bathroom and carpet for bedroom and concrete for the garage and wood for the other areas. And you should create your stair, railing, shaft, and assigning glass to interior stair. And you need to add ceiling here in the closet area. And you need to provide a section so I can go there and see your ceiling. And you need to complete all interior and exterior doors and windows. And you need to add the roof, considering a slope roof, and for the house and for the patio. And you need to add 2 concrete slabs, an exterior concrete slabs, concrete stair, and a solid topographical element, and some trees. And you need to add 2 solid ramps for the garage access, and provide at least 3 sections. One for this opening, this one over there, showing this opening, and the other one showing the staircase, and go through the closet area and show the ceiling.
do you add the ceiling to the closet or you were saying to add a ceiling to one of the rooms?
I added here in the joint area.
From with the,
Or no, I added here in the closet last session. Did you add it?
you said a ceiling for that?
Yeah, ceiling. We use ceiling. You can go to L1, and when you go to architecture, you can find ceiling here. This is the L1 and the height is 9 feet. If you go to sections or elevations, you can see the distance from floor to floor is 11 and 9 is good.
So it has to be height offset of what?
No, 9 for the ceiling, because ceiling has a distance between the underneath of the second floor and the ceiling. We have a gap. Let me go to the section and show you. Yeah, here is the floor thickness. The distance from the floor to floor is 11, but the ceiling height is 9. What is this? So at the ceiling, go to L1. At the ceiling with 9 feet, you can change the ceiling type. You can use automatic ceiling, and it's recognized room by room, or you can use a sketch ceiling and draw a rectangle.
Just for the bottom right, the G closet.
Yes.
Saying. What side did you take the section for the?
We need to take one showing this opening, the other one over there to show this opening for the dining room, and the other one showing staircase and go through the closet showing the ceiling, showing the staircase and the ceiling. If it is small, you can select the box, the frame, and stretch it.
Sure what I'm doing, but it's showing kind of. Not showing the whole thing, but it's just showing part of it.
So you need to select the frame, and now you can stretch. Maybe it's small, showing a portion of the section, so you can select the circle and stretch. Mhm. Yes.
I think my wall, like the wall behind the thing. Cause I saw my bed not ceiling. You know the wall behind the speakers, right? When you like extend it up. Right? Is that maybe now? Or should I just go to my double to
Go to L. You created in L1, but you cannot extend it.
Yeah.
Are you?
Oh, maybe.
Did you select it? Yeah, we can change it to the roof.
Or is it better to just make a new wall, LT?
You can mention it wrong, but I think it's because of your floor. If you go to your floor and change the floor line over the wall, go to L2.
Oh.
Now select the floor. And go to the edge. And hit tab. Vertical. Swap. Chain of ball. It again. Yeah, it's good. If you go to the edit one here, you can move this line back. Just select it. Because of your shaft.
And then still,
Can click on the one in the two.
oh, how did fix this? With a column Pokemon.
This one.
I think I must do something here, of a column Pokemon. Maybe because that center more inside.
Go to the plan, that one.
There. Oh,
Yeah, really to,
just put it like right in.
around, not the color, the color is the current situation, you need to use the bar
Onto
the outside.
Move these two.
Yes. This one is fine, sorry, this one, can you see?
So, move it down.
Everything down. I don't need to, they need to be connected.
Uh,
You can move it down,
move this one down.
yeah, you press that. No, yes,
Oh. There's one.
yes, go to two.
It wouldn't move everything.
But then if your column is visible, you need to fix it. What is this?
This. I think since we moved the whole house, it started poking out.
Go to L2 and fix the bar. You can see, and get, can connect this select the bar. And then on the first one. We need to complete all windows, the second floor, first floor.
Yeah, it's everything fine for this one. I don't know why, I don't know what to do.
It's a fireplace.
Oh, it's fine.
If you can find the component, you can fix it. But you have to do it. Well,
Oh, the door.
access
The door.
the components in the component.
Yeah, I still have to fix a lot of the house, but I have to make the runway, I have to fix this, and then fix that. I saw on the video, you made a cut. You made like a cut on the floor, is that, like, really good?
For the void
So the second floor, I saw,
over the
yeah, you made,
boiler.
you made like a cut right here.
That's on the plan.
So, yeah, I couldn't.
Go to second floor, you can see that line. Go to M2.
But it's on 17th. Yeah, the video of Tuesday, I wasn't here, but I saw you made the cut.
It's not your second floor plan. I need to see the line. Oh. I change it to wireframe. And you can see the line. We have a line there. It means that the floor is second floor doesn't cover this area.
Okay, so I just go to floor, edit boundary, cut this out.
Yeah, you can edit your floor or you can draw a shaft like what you did for the elevator and for the step.
It's fine how, you see how like it's like missing the building,
Listen, God.
like it's like see the side and then see the side, not still, but it still shows like the wall, or I don't know.
3D view, you can see that one.
Yeah, I don't know, like in video view it looks perfectly
Yeah,
fine.
that's fine.
Uh,
Maybe it's a graphic issue.
I finished it, but I should be able to.
You have to annotate next. Next.
Singing.
Instead on the second floor, add windows, walls, and anything else that's required on the assignment frame.
Yeah, you need to add all things are mentioned here.
Do we need to add any furniture at all?
No,
What about doors on the floor? Do we need those?
doors there.
Like on the floors, do we need those? On level 2.
Let me see. Where did you ask? Yeah,
No, on level 2, like the interior door.
interior doors, yes. You have to add all interior doors and all windows in first floor and second floor.
Which dimensions do we use for those?
You can check that. I used for L1. I didn't use it. Let me go to door. You can use dimension and see. Go to annotate.
This film was on Tuesday, right?
Not Tuesday, no. December 2nd. Next week we have Thanksgiving holiday. And after that, we have just one session. You can come and ask your question. We don't have any new thing. We done the project. It's 2.5. You can use 30, 80, or 84. I'm using 80. And hit it, and then you can flip it. Can hide the roof. It's better to use section box to go inside and see the door.
Can't find a double door that's small enough for the smaller double doors, double two.
It is 2.5, means 30 for the interior door.
The one I selected is way too big for it.
Did you select this one?
Yeah,
Is it big? For second floor? Okay. For this one? Yeah, for the bathroom, it's a little big. You can edit it. Replace it. You can select it by going to edit type. You can duplicate and change it to, I don't know, it's 24. Yes, it's 24. 2 feet.
like the one right above CLOS, where it says closet, right there to your left, where your mouse is to the left. No,
Which one? And second,
what is this closet right there? No, no, yeah, you're just on, right there. The door,
the door.
yeah, which door do we use for that?
It's for the closet. Let's see. You don't need to create it. It's for the closet.
What about,
Just for
top
the
right,
rooms.
where there's the bath? Up to the top right, yeah, where's it, M bath? M bath, bottom. To the right, yeah, those doors there.
Mm. You can use your door double flush and change the measure. It's about 4 feet. Four means 68. No. 68. 48, you can edit it to 48. Sixty-eight is too big. You don't have a wall here, but it's big. You can edit it to 48. When you go to edit type,
Do you change the first number or the second?
the second number is the height.
Oh,
Yeah, the first number is the width.
so it should be 48.
Yes. 48 or 4 feet. Nice, good.